the removal of fuel subsidy, which has affected almost everything in Nigeria as at now. From the Bureau of Statistics, more than 600 companies folded up, while a certain number are in distress. I can't confirm the number yet now. So this is not something to be proud of as a president. And even the health sector is deteriorating every day. The whole system has been bastardized. Nothing to be proud of in this country as at the moment. As an health worker, some of us cannot even fend for our families, which is so pathetic. Now going to the issue of Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria, with new verification guidelines, with stringent rules, which we believe is an act of human rights violation. And also, the government is helping them in that regard by violating the workers' rights too. Because according to the ILO Fair Migration Agenda, it states that making migration a choice and not a necessity by creating decent work opportunities in countries of origin, respecting the human rights, including labor rights of all migrants. If the Nigerian government has made this place habitable for us, a lot of us will not be migrating. Lots of nurses are unemployed. Yet, the government is expecting people, I mean nurses, not to migrate. Of course, it is our right to migrate to wherever we will be employed easily. Also, the United Nations, together with some other agencies, states that migration is the right of all individuals. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, Article 13(2) states that everyone has the right to leave any country, including his own, and to return to his own country. Human Rights Council also addressed migration issues through resolutions, special procedures, and fact-finding missions. I wouldn't be stating everything I have here anyway, but I would like the government to note that all individuals have the right to migrate to wherever they will get jobs, wherever the cost of living is low and the standard of living will be improved. We believe that is our right as humans. That is our right as citizens. So we should not be deprived of that right. Government should also do well by employing more nurses, because when the country is made habitable for us, lots of us will not want to travel. Even as they are lamenting that there is brain drain in the country, especially in the health sector, lots of people are still behind, unemployed. Government should do something about that. They should increase the hazard allowance and also work on life assurance, insurance for nurses and other health workers. When the country is made habitable for us, we will stay back. No one will want to travel to another country. But in a situation whereby lots of nurses are unemployed, what do? And of course, some nurses are in the private sector, not being well paid. Some nurses earn as low as 30,000 naira in some private hospitals because they prefer to use quacks instead of the professionals.
So what can you say about the truth?
The June 12th celebration. Anyway, that's our democracy day to honor one of our heroes. Fine. But I will say clearly that nothing is worth celebrating in this country. Nothing is working at all. Nothing is working. If as an health worker, some of us cannot afford to fend for our immediate families, let alone the extended families. And we have lots of people that are dependent on us. At least every Nigerian worker has up to 5 people that are dependent on them. But in a situation whereby we cannot fend for ourselves even very well, we cannot sustain ourselves, how much more people that are dependent on us? Government should please do something about it.